So, what are the hazards? What are the drilling workshop activities in oil and gas industry? Drilling workshop in oil and gas industry involve practical exercises, training, and operational planning sessions that cover the entire life cycle of a well. These activities are designed for drilling crews, engineers, and supervisors to improve safety, efficiency, and overall well performance. These sessions focus on the technical design and strategic planning of drilling operation before any physical work begins. So, what are the hazards that are related to drilling operation? So, hazards in the oil and gas drilling workshop activities include fire and explosion from flammable gases, chemical exposure from drilling fluids and other substances, and physical hazards such as slips, trips, fall from height, and being struck by heavy equipment. Additionally, risks include equipment malfunction, electrical shock, working in confined spaces with risk of asphyxiation and toxic exposure, and fatigue from long hours.